Like best na kayo ng tumumuglang. Anyam, uncle. Tagi-igid bye-bye kami. Ay, so. Be, kapag live test lang nga taga Sanchezan, nag-aayok kayo dito yan. Allah, ito nagadumot dito foreigner daw. Mga sawa ka no. So, good morning guys. It's day 2 here in Palawan, El Nido. So, day 1 kahapon, which is nag-rest kami. So, sa mga gustong mag El Nido or dito sa Palawan, dapat full of energy kayo. Kasi madaming experiences, madaming activities ang hinanda ni Palawan para sa inyo. So, today is day 2. At saka, today is day 1 rin ng aming activities at saka yung tour. So pupunta kami sa Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, Payong Beach, and then sa Seven Commando Beach, and then may isa pa which is isang island. Okay, so let's go. So ito yung isang island na pupuntahan namin, which is yung Shimizu Island. Yan. So ready ka na sa ating first island hopping?
Yaller.
Okay. So may mga tips ka ba para sa ating mga viewers, JB, na gustong mag El Nido?
Enjoy, live your work. Diba?
Enjoy nyo, walang signal dito.
Wala.
Hindi, may mga may mga wifi yung mga accommodations.
Pero kung yung data ang gagamitin, panaka-naka lang.
Tapos ang kagandahan kasi dito sa El Nido, access mo na lahat. May ATM, may mga groceries, may mga barbershop, coffee shop, tsaka may may pharmacy, may makainan. Meron din yung pagrentan ng mga motor, sasakyan.
And travel and tours, pag hindi pa
Travel and tours kung wala pa kayong na-book na mga packages ng inyong mga island hopping.
Meron pang Coron Ferry, paggaling ng El Nido.
Ayun Coron Ferry. So, papunta na kami dun sa pick-up nung first island travel na. Philippine Ports Authority. Morning. So, like I said guys, madaming mga stores na very convenient siya. So, lahat ng hinahanap nyo nandito. So, nandyan lahat yan. So dito kami pipick upin. So ready na tayo. Magre-register na. Are you ready? Ready? Ba't yung attire mo hindi ready? Sheesh! Okay, ready? Picture? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, next pose. Joke lang, video ito.
Wala pang kesit talaga sa floating.
So, ang boat namin ngayon is, Giana Street. Sige po. So, papunta na kami. Tutur ko kayo mamaya doon. Charot. Islam wala mo kibagbak di jay. Let's go! Woo! Ano ka makaulaw mo dati alog-alog. Iba ka kanya na makaisbo na. Nagka-counting si bossing. Doon po kami, boss. Yung puti po?
Yes, yung white.
Okay. Yun yung kapaganda sa El Nido. Okay. Nabanglo. So, ito yung guys. So, sakbay kayo nga biyahe nga slow. Mangbalong kayo ko ayun. Di sunscreen yun. Ben, nag-sunscreen kan? Kumbaga, nag-iisip tayo natin.
Alright, hello mga people, mabuhay!
Yeah, mabuhay!
Alright, ma'am sir, so now good morning everyone! Good
Morning!
You know ma'am sir, I put out today your energy, what your package store see, right? Everybody store see?
Tour A.
Are you sure? Ready for tour A? Tour A.
Ayun na.
Alright, so El Nido Paradise and welcome our company, Globe and Janas Travelers and NBC Janas number
3.
That's important, ma'am sir. Okay, so now by the way, my name is Ricky. I don't want to guide today, but not alone. So we have a body to guide. Kuya Dondon. Morning, everyone. And of course, Antonio Bandera. Alright, of course, the important in the boat for our captain, Captain Ronel.
Yeah!
So, ma'am sir, your story, we have a 5 or 4 destinations, but different the location the outside. Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, Simiso, Sibin Commando, and one spot is snorkeling area. So, everybody, you know how to swim?
Yun lang. Aroy.
Right, ma'am sir. Right your hand for not good swimmer, be honest. Not good swimmer. 1, 2, 3,
Not good?
4,
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bossing sa likod.
Oh, no problem. 11. Okay, no problem.
Ang muklag lang ko yung mga anak na laing yun.
Life jacket. Submarine life. Like sun, shells, corals, life from souvenir. Second, while we're in the island, but take nothing only pictures. Leave nothing but footprints, bring nothing but memories, and kill the time. So, what again, ma'am, sir? Everybody, are you ready?
Yes!
Today is
Friday.
Alright, in your holiday. So
Vacation
enjoy
leave.
your vacation. Okay, so now everybody, hop, hop!
Hooray!
Everybody happy? And if you happy, you know it, clap your hand. Alright. So now, ma'am, sir, I need your cooperation, everyone. So everybody, are you joined for a sing with me?
Yes.
Yes, pa rin. Oh, no. Okay, hands up in the air!
Yes!
1, 2, 3! Put your hands up in the air! Put your hands up in the air! Put your hands up in the air! Put your hands up in the air!
Ben.
The people on the boat, you said, oh!
Oh!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Thank you so much, ma'am, sir. Our captain, rock and roll!
Secret Lagoon. So, magsiswimming daw kami punta dun sa lagoon. Kaya may iwan tong mask ko. Balikan namin kayo mamaya. Kasi yung Secret Lagoon daw, nasa likod ng rock na to.
At para
Correct.
makita nyo yung secret, pumunta kayo sa Palawan.
Siyempre, hindi nyo makikita. Secret nga eh. Go! how was your Secret Lagoon experience?
It's fun. Dangerous. Charot.
Siyempre, ayaw naming mag-disclose kasi secret nga, di ba?
Alright, so now, so this is the admin side. So only activities in slowly. Don't go baobab. Let's go live. So we have a 40 minutes and 1 second.
Panis. Couple goals. So, nandito kami sa Mini South ngayon, which is, according sa aming mga guide, best place for snorkeling. Snorkeling. So, dito daw. Ayan, nauna na si si American Boy. Ganda dito, guys. So, tapos na tayo dito. On to our next destination. Cha-charge muna ako. Bye! Mga dayuhan. So yung mga gusto bumili ng drinks nila while waiting dito, mga nagbebenta sila bossing, may coke tsaka buko juice and then water.
So, I guess everyone's okay to have a lunch right here at the boat? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright. So, just give us 4 to 5 minutes just to prepare your lunch. And then, while preparing lunch, you can guys swim around here. And then, after that, we're gonna pull you guys, you're gonna swim passengers to get lunch. Right? Is that okay? Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Arak ko mga minini naman tayo, bench. So dito yung mga lunch guys with the madlang peoples. So we are currently at our third destination, which is the Shizumu Island. Gusto niya, JP? Shizumu? Ah, okay, sorry. Shimizu Island pala. So ito yon. Nasa likod kami ng ngayon, ng island mismo. Hindi kami makapunta sa harap kasi malakas daw yung alon. Ko maulawak yung dagito makikita. Sus Mariosep. Bench, pili ka na eh. Ano nga klase ngayon ka na ito yun? Ito yun guys. Oh, mga kayo, hindi na eh. Sige, babay na beng. Mga kailandan.
Yeah, you can answer. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you, boss. On the way na sa Big Level. Ipagitnaan tayo dun, guys.
This is the highlights part of the itinerary today. This is the outside part of Big Lagoon, the lagoon that's located behind of the tracks or behind of that wall. From here, we need to ride a kayak to explore the place. Okay, about the price of the kayak, they have two kinds of kayak here. For 2 person is 300 pesos.
So guys, ito na yung Big Lagoon. Ganda. So yung dagat is nandun. Para makapunta ka dito, magkakayak ka. Which is yun yung kayak experience nila. So hanggang dun pa yan, sa may tunnel. So magandang experience siya guys. So ginawa akong driver nitong kasama ko. How's the experience? Charm. Really good. Uy! Ganda dito guys. Sobra. So, andyan na si Benz at saka si JP. Kamusta ang experience? Nag-gout ka ba, Kan? So, papunta na kami dun sa tunnel. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo dito sa entrance niya. Sa loob yung tunnel. Puntahan namin. Tara! Charm? Let's go! Hirap guys. Hirap maging driver.
The driver.
Tingin sa harap.
Okay. Yes, let's jig. Let's go inside. That's Benchy and JP. Say hi. Hi, vlog. Video, guys. Say hi. Sheesh.
Bench, pag isa ka na lagi dyan ko, tilapia ka, dilim pa dilusan din.
My gosh, the clumsy duo. Kuy, alwa, damot ah!
So nice.
Pintas! Bok and JP, here we come. Hi, Bok.
Sobrang nakakapagod ang kayak experience. Sakit sa kamay.
second to the last. So this is the 7 Commando Beach. 7 Commando is not island, it's part of mainland. Alright? Only activities here, ma'am, sir. Relaxing, sleeping, sunbathing, eating, drinking, or volleyballing. Alright? So we need to buy beer, buko. Malalak you buy 1 tick 2. We have a small 7-Eleven there. You know why buy 1 tick 2? 1 stick to banana. Okay, ma'am, 1 hour.
Okay.
So now bring your only important things on the beach. Only important. But the boat not allowed to stay in the beach. After 1 hour, the boat is back to the beach for your pick up. Alright, that's 3. Let's go to Jollibee. And one more. Don't stay under the coconut. Ha?
Nabagsak din kaya?
Ay, hindi siya. Matamakan ka, makalimutan mo si ma'am.
Ayun.
Ha? Tara, let's go.
Thank you. Dito. Okay, so this is our second to the last destination, the 7 Commando Beach. Sabi ni Kuyang tourist guide, may 7-Eleven daw na maliit dito. Which is nandun. Okay, try natin puntahan mamaya. So, for resting siya. More like resting place. Pwede ka matulog, kumain. Pwede ka mag-volleyball. Yan o. Volleyball.
Okay, ma'am, sir. So now, to the last one. El Nido Town. Happy hour. Alright, ma'am, sir. Everybody enjoy?
Yeah!
Everybody happy?
Yes, of course.
If you happy, then you know each of your hand. Alright. Okay, ma'am, sir. So now, thank you so much for holding on. So I hope you enjoy. From Brooke and Jana's Travel Tours, so I would like to thank you. Of course, thank you so much for my our captain and my partner. Alright, ma'am, sir. So before you leave, logboard, cheap, or your things. Sleepers, shoes, bag, cell phone, mask stocker, and especially your partner. Alright? Logboard check. Okay, ma'am, sir. So now, here in Lido, every day Christmas. So we're in Toor or Pura Boss, so as you see, come on, we have a gift box. Para saan yung dulo? Dito.
So yun guys, no, hindi tayo natuloy sa Payong Beach. Kasi magpa-5 na kasi. Sayang. So nandito na kami sa Daungan. Tapos na ang ating araw. So isa na namang araw ang ating na-accomplish sa ating paglalakbay sa El Nido. What a tiring day daw. Ay, 1-5. Magka-studio barangay mo na yun. Barangay Damang, baka naman. Hankit ko ngamin. Sakbay ka nga makadanan ng baybay. Adati karayan ni. Oh, so big shout out sa ano sa barangay officials ng aking barangay. Barangay Damang. Medsa ito kasi ni kapitan. Sige, 500 kun. So, paumanhin guys, no? Sa sobrang pagod ko, di na ako nakapag-vlog dyan. At big shoutout nga pala dun sa owner ng The Only Place Machendos Inn. More blessings po sa inyo sa kabaitan nyo. So, sa bandang ito, pupunta na kami dun sa book hotel talaga namin, which is 3 minutes away lang naman sa poblasyon. So, this is it guys. La Casa Teresa. So, see you in a bit guys. Mag-dress muna at mag-prep muna kami. So, maghahanap kami ng kainan for our dinner. Gaya nga ng sinabi ng tour guide naming si Boss Ricky, in El Nido, every day is Christmas. Like yung nightlife in El Nido is one of a kind. Lahat ng sulok puno ng saya at memorya. Everyday fiesta ba? Alam nyo sa sariling opinion ko lang, kung pupunta kayo ng El Nido, nako, sulitin nyo na. Huwag nyong sayangin ang bawat minuto na nandito kayo. Oh, George! At syempre, mas masaya pa rin pagkasama mo mga pamilya mo. Or kung hindi man pamilya, at least man lang mga kaibigan mo. Or yung mga importante sa buhay mo para kasama mo magsaya sa Palawan. Mas ba? So that is all guys. Stay tuned na lang sa day 2 ng ating island tour here sa El Nido. At sa mga sumubaybay ng vlog na ito, maraming salamat sa inyo sa walang sawang suporta. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. And pakihit na din yung notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga videos. So see you guys!